Please subscribe to this.
Oh, thank you.
And also like it.
Yes, also like it. I'm kind of a product.
Subscribe now.
Doing it? Oh, thank you. What's your name?
My name is Uzair.
Do you also do YouTube? Why not? You should.
I do, thanks.
Wait, I'll do it right now.
How many subscribers do you have?
It's going, just reached 400,000 maybe. 400,000 on YouTube. I'm kind of in production.
Oh, Mikey.
What's the spelling standard now?
7.
I'm in. Your desi taste is salty. Gino. Just this. I'll eat the snack. How much is the fast tag? Suk Devji 50 rupees. What's the matter? Somewhere you're taking money, so why is mine $30? So what I have done, I bought this DJI gimbal. I don't know how to use it, and this is the very first time I'm using the camera. Whenever I start something, I do it with Sukhdev Ji. He has contributed a lot to the growth of my channel. Who's here with me? What's your name? Hussein. Hussein, you also became a YouTuber.
No.
You don't know how to spell my kind of production is my channel's name. Thanks to Sukhdev Ji, he's always there. He made my channel very popular, so I'm here for practice. I don't know how to use the gimbal. Here, if I press it like this, it will rotate. Okay, what did you put now? Okay, is it in the frame or not? It's difficult. I'm using this camera for the first time. My neck keeps turning. M-Y-K-I-N-D.
M.
K-I-N-D. So I love this part. This partner I covered before. But this is the very first time I'm covering with this phone, this camera. If you put kind it will come, it means my channel is not running properly. Off. Production. Space, space, sun, space, off, space.
Off.
Production? Yes. Yes, do it for Pakistan.
Yeah.
It's off space production.
Yes, put space.
Then,
Will you do it at home?
will you edit it at home?
Brought it. Thinking of uploading my Pat's video?
So my first experience, actually, I used the Canon M50, which is I used it for so many years, so I got used to it. Did you get my Chinese? So I was using the Canon M50, which is easy to use, but it wasn't smooth. I have to grow it over time. The very first time I tried it, it was a bit difficult for me. It wasn't very easy because I still had to learn all of its functions and features. My dear child, what exactly are you doing right now? 7th standard in off space, off. Oh, yes, this is it. Correct.
Subscribe?
To this,
Oh, thanks.
you. Thank you so much. Thanks so much, Gurpreet Ji. Much again, like come you. Actually, I also come to take Sukhdev Ji's blessings. Thank you so much. I hope we will rock with this camera also. Bye. Said bye.